Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue when you cannot download apps or games because parental controls restrict downloading them on Honor 200 Lite. You can see I've been searching for Call of Duty and I cannot download this app because parental controls restrict downloading of this app. And what to do in this situation? First, make sure Google Play Store is opened. Then press on your profile icon in top right corner. Go to Settings, then Family, Parental Controls. And now you can see that I have set parental controls for apps and games to PEGI 3, and to change it I need to enter content pin, and if somebody has enabled these parental controls for you, you need to contact them in order to know the pin. My own pin is 1234. So I'm gonna enter it and press on OK, and here I can change the restrictions to, for example, PEGI 16, which is the least restrictive, or PEGI 12, 7 or 3, or I can go back and disable parental controls, so I will be able to download and install every app on the Google Play Store. Now, let's search for Call of Duty. And you can see I can install it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.